Yo, one thing all Jamaicans have in common.
Everyone.
Every Jamaican.
Every single one.
We not talk to police.
We not inform.
Young man,
Where we there right now?
we're in an interrogation room.
I don't know what I'm doing here, but alright.
I'm trying to find out where you were the night that Fingers was murdered.
Who?
Fingers.
Who name sir?
Your brethren.
Fingers.
Virgin Fingers. You get murdered. Oh, I'm dead.
So, where were you the night that Fingers was murdered?
Boy, I made it at this wicked session, you know.
Me just break up with my girlfriend, you know.
This picture was taken the night of the murder. Is that you?
I mean that.
And is that Fingers?
Yeah, Fingers that right there.
Who them two people there?
That's
I
you.
don't know them. I don't know them. Them look like stranger to me.
And me that is. And that dirty girl.
Everybody was there.
Where was Fingers?
Fingers?
Skin, skin, yeah, money, friend.
Focus on what we're talking about here.
Batman and Superman, they get in an argument, you see me? And them was at the party too, I never mentioned that before. All of a sudden out of nowhere, Batman look at Superman and they say, yo, Superman, hey, your mother. And I don't know where this beef come from, you know, cause them beef you come back from before, like, in the 60s.
She a fuck Fingers, that dirty girl, them man. Dirty girl.
And Batman broke out him like, what that thing they throw, the catapult thing. And then Superman lick him with them laser eye. And then out of nowhere, a man just draw a gun, shoot after Batman.
You must have spread nasty rumors like that.
And out of nowhere, the bullet ricochet and lick Fingers.
Because rumor has it that you killed Fingers.
No, so I lied. I was telling Fingers I'm a virgin. I love Fingers to death. I'm a blood brother that cut him on me that. A rumors, but me not kill them, me kill him not fly. A rumors that, but a dirty girl there, baby. You come with me tonight.
Are you for someone else with your rumor spreading self?
Oh yes?
Yes.
I never know for fire gun, I never say a gun in my life. The one gun on me say on TV. That mean, no. A God honest truth.
It's very important that you work with the police here today, you know.
They want to murder and gun is you with the pretty looks. You and cakes up, my friend?
Rumors that spreading, claim that I'm scenting me planting. But I'm an addy done in the juggling. I hear rumors of war.